Alright, hello traders. Thank you for joining us here today. We have a really exciting offer for those of you that are interested in learning more about how we trade options here at NetPicks. As I interact with traders on a daily basis, I get a lot of the common questions to come up. And one of the biggest questions that I get is, Mike, with so many different stocks and exchange traded funds available to trade on a daily basis, how do I know which are the best candidates to look at? And it's a great, fair question. So what I decided to do is take a look back over the past couple of years at the names that I've seen the best success with, the names that I've seen the most profits with. And I decided to put together a list of those names, and I'm willing to share it with you today at no cost. So if you're interested in how we trade options, if you're looking for a great starting point, take a look at this list. Again, no charge to you. This is just a great list of names that you can look at as we wrap up 2013 and head into 2014. Okay, so where do we start? Let's go ahead and dive in. So my name is Mike Rixey, and after spending years of trading, researching, and developing systems for the options market, I've uncovered the hottest top shelf options picks that need to be on your watch list. Now again, why options? You have Forex markets, futures markets, stock and ETF markets. Why should you be looking at options specifically? Let's walk through a few of the main reasons here. Number one, the versatility. Okay, now if we know the markets are moving, if we see a lot of volatility back and forth, we know there's a lot of different ways that we can be profitable. The problem kicks in when we get into those markets that are moving straight sideways. That's the dreaded condition that traders really fear going forward, because it can be tricky to make money when the market's moving sideways. Options are the only markets out there that will allow you to make money regardless of what the market's doing. We can make money if the market goes up, if the market goes down, but also if the market goes sideways. There's different strategies that we can use that actually benefit from time passing and the market not doing much of anything. That's a really powerful aspect to have on your side with options. Next is the popularity. If you've been tracking the markets over the past few years, you know that a lot of the popular markets have seen a drop-off in volumes. But there's one exception, and that's in the options world. And in fact, over the past couple of years, we've broken a number of different records as far as volume goes. The retail public just continues to catch on to the fact that we can take advantage of the great leverage that these products offer, and we can control some pretty sizable positions in a stock or an ETF for a fraction of the cost. And in fact, in a lot of cases, we're able to get in and control 100 shares of a given stock for as little as a few $100s. Well, that's a great advantage for the smaller retail trader. They're products that really open up a whole new universe of different stocks and ETFs. Next, these strategies can be used across so many different markets. We can trade options on individual stocks, on index products, on exchange traded funds. You can trade options on futures markets. That can be a great advantage to you because if you can learn some of the basic strategies, you're really setting yourself up for future success. If a new stock becomes popular down the road, you don't have to worry about reinventing the wheel. We can use the same strategies across many different stocks and ETFs. Finally, diversification. You may be day trading the futures of the Forex markets, and that's just fine. By swing trading with options, it's a great way to mix up what you're already doing. We talk about swing trading in as little as 20 minutes a day. Well, that's huge for those people that don't have hours a day to track every tick in the market all day long. We're able to get our feet wet. We're able to stay involved in the markets in just a few minutes each day. That's incredibly powerful. So back to our list, where do we start? Well, some of the names on my list, some of them are under the radar. Some are right under your nose and you don't even know it. But the point is, you don't have to do any of the analysis because I've already done the work for you. This list has been producing some great results so far in 2013. In fact, we just closed out a winning trade on Netflix with a 98% return. TLT, which is an exchange traded fund that tracks the bond market, just booked a 65% return here last week as well. So you don't want to miss out on the next big winner from this hot list. So all you need to do is click on the link below. I'll give you access to this coveted list, and again, the best part about this is it's free. We're heading into a great time of year to trade these markets. The markets continue to be very, very active. So take advantage of this list. Start to book some of the profits that we've seen so far in 2013. So I look forward to hearing from you down the road, and we'll talk to you again soon.